Close to 200 eye patients were attended to thanks to an eye surgical outreach program to Alotau by the Fred Hallows Foundation PNG based in Milne with help from the Milne Provincial Health Authority. The outreach involves 8 foundation officers, 2 from out of Port Moresby, and they have 3 trained eye nurses from the Milne Provincial Health Authority who assisted them. Ophthalmology registrar in training, Dr. Alice Irava, says the turnout was great and they were happy to have assisted many of them with restoration of their eyesight.
We've had good outcomes with most of our patients, almost a good number. But unfortunately for the late turnouts, we just have to extend. That decision is still pending.
Many eye cases seen were of bilateral cataract issues, persons with issues in both eyes. Most of these cases were in persons over 50 years old, and she was glad to report all those operated on were successful.
Yes, cataract being the most common and the one that it's more like a sight restoring surgery for us. So a lot of patients have had the opportunity to at least have one sight restored.
It's life-changing help, and while there were many success stories, there were also stories of determination to get into Alotau to reach the team.
Again, overnighting one day on the way, 2 at Siri, and then 3 to Alotau. If it's the transport delays, we another night at Awayama or Taupota before we travel to Alotau the 4th day.
Eramu, however, was late getting into Alotau when the outreach was winding up, the team contemplating extending the outreach a few more days to cater to such cases before they depart Milne this week. Many others, though, happy to have their eyesight restored. Some threw away their canes when leaving the recovery ward just to prove how happy. The outreach ran 2 weeks, seeing close to 200 of Alotau's 300-plus registered eye patients who were thankful to the Fred Hallows Foundation for bringing their expertise to the province for a life-changing cause. They've appealed for regular visits so more patients can get the help they so desperately need. Priscilla Waikaidi, NBC National News, Alotau.